In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Discord keeps disconnecting from voice chat. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Discord voice chat relies on a stable network, so if your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection is unstable, you may experience frequent disconnections. Try restarting your router and modem, then reconnect to the internet and test Discord again. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi for voice communication. Next, restart the Discord application completely. Open Task Manager, navigate to the Processes tab, search for Discord. Once it appears, right-click on it, then select the option End Task. Now, close this. Relaunch the Discord and see if the issue has been fixed. You can also try running Discord as an administrator by right-clicking on the Discord icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Another common fix is to change Discord's voice server region. If you are the owner or administrator of a server, open the server settings and select a voice channel. Choose a different voice region or leave it on automatic so Discord can select the best available server. This can help if the current server is experiencing connection issues. You should also check your Discord voice settings. Open user settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner, then go to voice and video, scroll down and click reset voice settings. This will restore the default voice configuration and can resolve problems caused by incorrect settings. While you are there, make sure the correct input and output devices are selected for your microphone and speakers. If the problem continues, try disabling Quality of Service High Packet Priority. In the voice and video settings, find the option labeled Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority and turn it off. Some routers and internet providers may not handle this feature well, which can lead to voice connection drops and instability. Another useful step is to update Discord and your network drivers. Make sure you are using the latest version of Discord, as updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. You should also update your computer's network adapter drivers to Device Manager. If none of these methods work, consider reinstalling Discord. Uninstall the application from your PC, download the latest version from the official Discord website. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.